So it's my birthday and I can have an old fashioned if I want to. Of course, I'm gonna do something crazy for my birthday drink and at the same time add another Traveler Series old fashioned. Let's do this. As I was thinking about another Traveler Series Old Fashioned, I also realized that my 2-year anniversary for Old Fashioned Ways was right around the corner, and it just so happens to coincide with my birthday.
I'm very ready, I'm birthday.
To me?
To you.
I also know that Shane from Storytime and Adam Major Zero both travel for their birthdays, and it so happens that I will be traveling for my birthday this year. So I decided to combine the Traveler Series with my birthday and do the unthinkable. Make the birthday trip old fashioned. Have you guessed what I'm doing yet? If you're liking these videos, please make sure to hit that like button. Also make sure to click on the subscribe button and notification bell. You don't want to miss out on any new and exciting videos. As usual, with the Traveler Series, I am not doing any cocktail quiz time. Sorry. And if that wasn't bad enough, I'm going to be doing the unthinkable with my next drink. So for those two reasons, I may lose subscribers, so please don't do that. Gotta trust me a little bit. I'm doing this for science.
Science? What sort of science, sir?
So we're just gonna jump right into this. Let's get into the birthday trip old fashioned. Birthday trip old fashioned ingredients: 1 ounce of Forester birthday bourbon, 1 ounce Traveler's blended whiskey, 1/4 ounce demerara simple syrup, 1 dash Angostura Bitters, and of course 1 or 2 dashes of chocolate bitters. Alright, for those of you who didn't unsubscribe and stuck around, we're gonna start making the birthday trip old fashioned. So this will be made directly into the glass, and look at this beautiful glass. It's one of the glasses from the set that my in-laws gave me, so thank you again, in-laws. We're gonna be starting off with a 1/4 ounce of demerara simple syrup, 1 dash of Angostura Bitters. Next we'll be adding 1 to 2 dashes of this Mexican chocolate. This is to kind of give it that chocolate birthday cake kind of essence to it. Now we're adding the 1 ounce of the Traveler's blended whiskey. And next we're doing the unthinkable. 1 ounce of Forester birthday bourbon.
Why?
This is the 2022 edition. My daughter's gonna be mad she wasn't here for this one. Now I'm gonna stir this up just a tiny bit, and we're gonna add an ice cube to it. I decided to add a square ice because it kind of looks like a birthday present, doesn't it? And we're gonna stir this up just a little bit more. So here you go, the birthday trip old fashioned. Well, you know what? Time to taste this bad boy. Let's see if it's any good. Can birthday bourbon bring up the flavors in the Traveler's whiskey? Well, let's see. And as you notice, I didn't do any garnish with this. I figured it's my birthday drink, why garnish it? Let's see. It is a very good drink, and I like the way that chocolate kind of comes in at the end. Makes you think of kind of like I was saying, chocolate birthday cake, right? But it is somewhat bitter. There is more flavor to it than there is with the Traveler. Is this worth doing for science? Yes. Would I make this again? No. I'm gonna go for that second drink. It's a good one. It's not great. Much rather have this neat by itself, but didn't quite help this out as much as I hoped it would. But I do get a old fashioned. I do have the sweetness. I do have the bitters, and at least I do get some whiskey flavor in this, and then the hint of chocolate at the end for for the birthday cake, right? So here is to Old Fashioned Ways 2-year anniversary, and to everyone out there who has had a birthday or is having a birthday very soon, here's to you and your health, and to many more amazing years. Happy birthday everyone, cheers my friends, and to our next travels.